Hello. In this episode, we are going to be doing a live marimba lesson with children aged from 8 to 12. Good afternoon. Right, my name is Mr. Michael Sibanda, and I'm going to be teaching you how to play these instruments today. Okay, what are they called? I can't hear that. What are they called? Marimba. Say that. Marimba. Well done. Good. As you can see, there are different sizes. Do you see that? The ones in the front, they are smaller. They are called piccolo. Say that? Piccolo. Piccolo. And the second row, they are a bit bigger. They are called soprano. Say that? Soprano. And then the third row, they're even getting bigger now. They are called tenor. Say that? Tenor. And the ones at the back, the big ones, they are called baritone. Say that? Baritone. Baritone. So we've got piccolo, soprano, tenor, and baritone. Okay, good. So now today, I'd like to teach you a song, but before that, I just want us to play a little exercise, okay? Now, can you look for the note C? You're going to go 1, 2. Okay, now I would like us to play a song together. The song is called Chimurenga. Say that? Chimurenga. Right, this is a Shona song. This song is by a lady called Stella Chiweshe. Okay, it's called Chimurenga. So each part is going to have different things to play, all right? The baritone is going to play their own notes. I'll teach also the tenor, you play your own notes. Sopranos, you play your own notes. And then piccolo, you have your own notes, all right? But to start off the song, we're all going to play together. And can you play your sticks like this after me? Can you go? Good. Now, you're going to be playing that rhythm on these notes. Can you look for C? After me, can you go C, C? Again, C, C. And then A, G. A, G. A, G. Look for A. And then G. Yes. A, G. A, G. And then you go back to C and go C. So, C, C, A, G. Wait. C, C, A, G, C. Good. Now, I'm going to start off with the baritone at the back. I'm going to give you the rest of the notes, okay? Can you go to F? In the middle there. You're going to play that F 4 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. Yes, again, 1, 2, 3, go. Now, can you go to C on your left and go again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back up to G and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you play that melody that I taught you. C, C, A, G, C. Ready, go. Well done. Now, from the beginning, the whole part together. From F, you go F 4 times. C 4 times. G 4 times. C, C, A, G, C. 1, 2, 3, go. Well done. Good job. Give them a hand. Good job. Next, the tenors. Right. Can you play it like this? Can you go? Right. So you go F A, F A, F A, F A. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Again, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You end with the A. Okay, next, go to C and C. And you do the same thing. Start with your left. You go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You start with the left. 1, 2, 3, go. And then you go down to the G and G. The same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then you play that little melody. Right, now from the beginning. So you're going to go F, A, C, C, G, G, C, C, A, G. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, A, G. Good job. Next instruments. Are you guys ready? The second row. Sopranos. Can you guys look for D and F? This way? Right. Now here is your rhythm. You guys are going to go. You play the notes together. Ready, go. Again, after me. And then you go to C and E. It's right next door there. And you go again. And then D, B and D. And then you play that little tune. C, C, A, G, C. C, C, A, G, C. Good. So D and F, C and E, B and D, C, C, A, G. 1, 2, 3, go. Well done. Piccolos, I ready. Thank you for waiting so long. All right. Can you guys look for F and A? F and A. You guys are going to play like this. You're going to go. Ready, go. And then you go to E and G. And then you go to G and B. And then C, C, A, G. One last time, F and A. E and G. G and B. And then, right, we're going to play all together at the same time. Just once through. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And stop. Now, when we stop like that, I can see somebody is moving there. Someone is dancing. Well done. Good job. He's feeling the music. He's feeling the beat. All right. Okay, this time, when we stop like that, I want everybody put your hands up in the air. Stick him up. Put your hands up in the air. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. After that, can you play C, C, A, G, C? Go. Next, you're going to go to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and next, jump and shake and woo and yes and then the last one, you're going to do your own style, your own freestyle. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Woo! Yes. Yes. Come on. Yeah. And after that, we then go back to playing. All right. Let's practice that part again from up and down. What's the second one? Right, left. Third one. Woo! Yes. And then the last one. Yes. All right. Let's go from up and down. 1, 2, 3, go. Well done. Give yourselves a clap. Well done. Good job. Right. So do you enjoy playing marimba? All right. Who's going to join the club? Good to see. All right. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.